Runpod is a one-stop solution for all your machine learning needs. With Runpod, you can train your own models with your own data. Use pre-trained models for inference, or use AutoML to automatically train a model for you based on your data and requirements. Runpod supports a variety of hardware accelerators, including GPUs and TPUs, making it easy to scale your training and inference needs. Additionally, Runpod's built-in version control and experiment tracking capabilities make it easy to manage your experiments and track your progress over time. So if you're really looking for a complete machine learning platform that can handle everything from training to production, then Runpod is definitely worth checking out. In this video, we'll be covering everything from what Runpod is, its features, how to get started with Runpod, and some of the ways that people are using Runpod to solve real-world problems. So whether you're a machine learning engineer, a data scientist, or just someone who's interested in learning more about machine learning, then make sure to watch this video. Before we start, if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing. It will really help us grow. Let's begin. So the first thing you might be wondering is, what exactly is Runpod? Well, Runpod is a complete machine learning platform that makes it easy to train, deploy, and scale machine learning models. It was created by a team of machine learning experts and engineers who saw the need for a better way to develop and deploy machine learning applications. One of the biggest challenges in machine learning is the need to manage and scale infrastructure. This is because machine learning models typically require significant computational resources to train and can generate large amounts of data during inference. As a result, machine learning applications often require specialized hardware and software infrastructure to run efficiently at scale. Moreover, when developing machine learning applications, you may want to try out different algorithms, hyperparameters, and data preprocessing techniques to find the best performing model. This process can involve a lot of experimentation and iteration, which can be time-consuming and challenging to manage. To address these challenges, Runpod was created as an all-in-one platform for developing, training, and deploying machine learning models. It provides a unified interface for managing infrastructure, experiments, and models, making it easier for developers to focus on building their models rather than managing infrastructure. Now let's take a closer look at the features of Runpod. One of the key features of Runpod is its support for multiple hardware accelerators. This means that you can choose the best hardware for your specific use case. Whether it's a GPU or TPU, Runpod also supports CPU training, although it is not recommended for anything other than small models or prototyping due to the much slower training times. The platform also provides tools for managing and scaling your infrastructure. You can easily scale your resources up or down as needed, and Runpod automatically distributes your workload across available resources for optimal performance. In addition to infrastructure management, Runpod also provides a variety of tools for experiment tracking and version control. You can easily track your experiments, compare results, and roll back to previous versions if needed. This makes it much easier to manage the inevitable changes and iterations that come with machine learning development. Another key feature of Runpod is its AutoML capabilities. AutoML is a type of machine learning that automates the process of training and hyperparameter tuning for machine learning models. This can be especially useful for developers who may not have a deep understanding of machine learning algorithms or may not have the time to tune hyperparameters manually. With AutoML, you can simply upload your data and specify your goals, and Runpod will automatically train a model for you. Now let's take a look at how you can get started with Runpod. First, you can sign up for a free account on the Runpod website. Once you have an account, you can access the Runpod console, where you will see an overview of your resources and experiments. To create a new experiment, you can click on the Create Experiment button and select the type of experiment you want to run. For example, if you want to train a new model, you can select the Train Model option. From here, you can select your model's framework, whether it's TensorFlow, PyTorch, or others. You can also specify the hardware you want to use for training and set up any necessary environment variables. Once your experiment is set up, you can upload your data and code, and then click on the Start Experiment button. Your experiment will then start running, and you will be able to track its progress in the experiment overview. If you want to view the output of your experiment, such as the trained model or inference results, you can click on the View Output button. Here, you can download your results, or view them in a variety of formats. Now let's take a look at some of the ways that people are using Runpod to solve real-world problems. In healthcare, for example, Runpod is being used to develop models to detect diseases from medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs. This can help doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately, leading to better patient outcomes. In finance, Runpod is being used to develop models to detect fraud and money laundering. This can help financial institutions protect themselves against financial losses and comply with regulations. In retail, Runpod is being used to develop recommendation systems that can recommend products to customers based on their past purchases and browsing history. This can help retailers increase sales and customer satisfaction. As you can see, Runpod can be used in a wide variety of industries to solve a wide range of problems. Now you might be wondering how Runpod compares to other machine learning platforms. What sets Runpod apart is its focus on ease of use and efficiency. While other platforms may offer similar features, Runpod provides a unique combination of infrastructure management, experiment tracking, version control, and AutoML capabilities all in a single platform. Additionally, Runpod's support for multiple hardware accelerators and its ability to scale on demand make it a powerful and flexible tool for developers. Of course, no machine learning platform is perfect, and Runpod has some limitations. For example, Runpod is primarily designed for developers who are already familiar with machine learning concepts and workflows. As a result, it may not be the best option for complete beginners who are just getting started with machine learning. Additionally, while Runpod does provide some AutoML capabilities, it is still primarily meant to be used by developers who want to have full control over the machine learning process. Overall, Runpod is a powerful and versatile machine learning platform that can be used to solve a wide range of problems across various industries. Its ease of use, efficiency, and scalability make it a compelling option for developers looking to build and deploy machine learning models. Whether you're a seasoned machine learning engineer or a data scientist just getting started, Runpod is definitely worth checking out. If you're interested in learning more about Runpod, be sure to visit the website and try it out for yourself. And if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about machine learning and artificial intelligence, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.